Basically, you can access funding from Canada. So there are a number of different options for you. You could look at the Ontario or the various different provincial government loan systems, so OSAP, BC Aid, Alberta Student Aid, etc. And so that's opportunities for you to borrow money just as you would do if you were studying here in Canada. Bond University is fully registered with all of the Canadian provincial loan and Canadian federal government loan systems, and so you can use that money. For the majority of you who I believe are from Ontario tonight, through OSAP you can borrow up to about $16,000 per year to put towards your studies, and then repay that back to the Canadian government once you finish your studies and return to Canada. You can also access private loans and private funding from all of the different big sort of multinational Canadian banks. So out of the big five, Scotia, BMO are probably the two most recognised in terms of international student funding. We are fully registered with the big five banks, and so you can actually apply for what's called a professional student loan or student line of credit, and for the law program borrow up to about $80,000. So this does mean that in terms of your total overall cost you may be a little short, and most students will typically, in terms of borrowing completely, and so most students will typically either use family money or money that they have saved up along the way to also help cover some of their costs.